What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Oregon Out. We're spending spring break in Portland, some of it, so we're gonna spend quite a few days on the coast because living in Bend, that's the one thing you really miss out on and can't see that often, the coast. So yeah, we're going out whale watching today. Probably go to one of my favorite beaches on the north coast. It's gonna be a fun day. The vast ocean. I've just got here like seconds ago and there's a whale right there.
Yeah, look at that. Ooh.
Oh, that's a big one.
It's big.
Ooh.
The other one was small, wasn't it?
Yeah.
So there's probably
That one's
them.
really big.
Yeah. Oh, look at it.
It's just amazing.
Oh, City was All right. Great. All right. Thank you very much for letting us know.
Okay, I really saw that one. Good. No, it's not an orca. I could see that for sure.
Oh, I couldn't see that one.
That's nice.
Wow. Cool.
Oh wow.
Cool. Nice.
What a day.
Oh, here's this one right here.
So this place is undoubtedly the best place in the state of Oregon to see whales. I mean, we've seen so many right down there, right next to shore. It's awesome. You can just look down on the whales. It's not the best in the lower 48. I think that place is somewhere in the San Juan Islands, but still, it's a great place to see whales. It's amazing, all the whales you'll see. This is one of the better days, but I probably saw 15 in an hour right next to shore. It's amazing whale watching area. After it just rained, you cannot be afraid to get muddy. Because pretty much the whole trail, at some points like here, is just mud. And you're gonna have to get your shoes a little dirty and you have to be okay with it. It's hard to hike this trail sometimes. And yeah, so the first mud puddle you see, just jump right in because it's not gonna get any better. It actually gets worse. Here we are on one of my favorite beaches in the state. In this, on this beach, there's one big rock, one pool, 2 waterfalls, and then there's also 3 caves over there. So this is one of the best beaches in the state, I think, at least. It's really cool. First waterfall. Not so natural coming out of a drain, but a waterfall. So right here's our second waterfall that comes into the beach, and it's a really cool waterfall. It's a double tier and it's a double split at the bottom also, so it's just a really cool one right next to the beach. And then the other little buddy over here. Yeah. Just an amazing beach, I love it. Alright, so we got the caves right here. The first one, can't see it that well. The second one. The third one right around the corner. So here we are now at the pool. Just look how awesome this is. Like, it's just like flat water and you're right next to the ocean. It's cool. It's the one really nice pool here. So I think those are sea urchins, all these things right here. You want to be careful when you're in the pool not to step on those. I mean, look at this right here. How can you not love this? You're in a pool right next to the beach. You get crashing waves right next to you. Here comes a big one. beautiful. I mean, what the Oregon coast, man. Look at this right here, a little buddy, oyster catcher. There's two over there, so I'm assuming that's where their nest is. Don't want to go near it. Oh, there's three. That's weird. This right here, really, with the caves, the waterfalls, the pool, it really is one of the best beaches in Oregon. One of my favorite ones, at least. Oh yeah. I mean, just whew, stunning. Breathless. I mean, this is pretty much the best of the Oregon coast. You got the whales, you got an amazing beach. It's the best of the Oregon coast. So